Hi guys, today we have a super quick and easy DIY flip. So this broom came from Goodwill. It was only $2.99. I already had some paint mixed up. So that is orange acrylic paint mixed with Java chalk paint, which is like a dark brown. And we're going to go over the entire broom. I wanted all the fall vibes for this broom. Hopefully I can find another one and do it like a Halloween one. That'd be awesome. So here I am back with my Rust-Oleum glitter, Harvest Gold. Perfect. And if you do get this from Menards, just make sure each time you use it, just shake it up real good, okay? I learned that. So I'm going to take it and give this whole broom a nice shimmer. I know it's super hard to see in the camera, and I'm so sorry. I wish y'all could see it because it's super pretty. But I'm just brushing it over the entire broom. Maybe this will give you guys some like ideas or inspiration if you can find you a broom or have one. Now I'm just taking these flowers and I'm going to glue them on the bristles. Lord, I forgot what they were called. Long day, y'all. Long day. I think these, I can't remember. Either Walmart or Dollar Tree. I can't remember. I'm sorry. But I think Dollar General is starting to come out with their fall flowers, if I'm not mistaken. In some places they are. I think ours is starting to. I need to get there when I get a chance because I definitely need some more fall flowers. And now we're going to take some sunflowers. Somebody gave me these, so I can't tell you where they came from. I'm so sorry about that. But they look like Dollar Tree or Walmart too. So I'm just placing those in front of the orange ones. Lots of pretty fall colors. I thought about adding blue ones because I thought that would be a nice change, but I changed my mind. Now we're going to add some leaves because we need some pop of green in there. I just randomly place them. If you do one for yourself, obviously you can decorate it however you wish. This is just for inspiration and idea. I definitely need to be on the search again for one for Halloween. I'd love to do a Halloween one. Now here's some buffalo check ribbon. And what I did was I cut 1, 2, 3, I think 5 pieces, but they're all in different sizes. So it went from longest to shortest. And you don't have to measure. It's just however big you want. So I'm just folding it over. See, I'm gluing the end. And then sticking those together to make a loop. See how it's starting from big to little? Like I've said in previous videos, I am not the best bow maker, but I do try. Now all we got to do is put a little bit of glue and start stacking up our loops. And then once we're all done, we can fluff it out. Right now, it's just going to look flat and boring. But once we get it on the broom, it'll be nice and fluffy. So hopefully you guys will like this broom and this idea. Please let me know in comments what you thought or what you would have done. I'd love to know. I love new ideas. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. That really helps my channel a lot. And if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. I absolutely love having tons of crafty friends. You get so much inspiration, you know what I mean? See, I'm kind of showing you how I fluff it on one end. Now we're making a tail. So I just grabbed a piece and I'm twisting it in the middle the best I can. And just putting a little hot glue there to hold it down. It just makes it easier for me. Then I'm going to fold that over and just cut upwards. I don't know if you call that a dovetail. I'm not sure. I'm not a bow maker. Maybe somebody could tell me if I'm right or wrong. We're just going to stick a little bit of glue on that and then place down our bow. And voila. It's the best I could do. Hopefully it looks good. And now all we got to do is just glue it on our broom. And this baby is all done. All the fall vibes. See how quick and easy that was? I think it looks worth more than $2.99 now. What do y'all think? I think so. I tried. And here's the final look. And I hope you guys love it. I hope it gives you inspiration. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of the Hot Mess family. I hope you'll have a good rest of your week. Bye, y'all.